Welcome to Chad Hates Carbs. Today we're going to be talking about what I've switched to in terms of drinks over the last little bit. Used to be real big in the diet soda and discovered that perhaps that was not a great idea. So I've switched over to a couple of different products. The soda replacement that I'm using is called Zevia. One of the reasons I'm using this is because there's no caffeine in it. There's also no sugar, obviously, 0 calories. The only ingredients are carbonated water, natural flavors, stevia, leaf extract, and citric acid in the creamy root beer. And then the other one that I like is, because I'm more of a cream soda root beer guy, I used to drink lots of Mountain Dew, even the generic Walmart brand, but that has a lot of caffeine in it. So this one has exactly the same ingredients: carbonated water, natural flavors, stevia, leaf extract, and citric acid. So you'll notice one of the interesting things about this is that you don't see anything about colors. This freaked me out the first time, but it's clear. This is the cream soda, the root beer is clear, the black cherry is clear. Like, all of their stuff is clear because they don't want to put in any sort of additives or anything like that. So you can see it's a clear soda, which again, kind of mind blowing. Now, also foams up real good, which I like in a root beer or a cream soda. One thing to note, as far as flavors go, there's a Dr. Pepper one that is not horrible, but I like these better. They have a black cherry that tastes too much like medicine for me, and I haven't really tried a lot of the grape. Like, I think they have a grape flavor and orange flavor. They have a cola flavor. I would get the combo pack because I think they sell the combo pack. Determine which flavors you like, but I can highly recommend the brand. Big fan. It's very expensive, but I've also gone from drinking multiple 2 liters a day to this will probably be the 1 can of this I have today. Maybe I'll have another one, but I'm not drinking more than 2 cans a day. So I can normally get through a week on a single 8-pack. Another point, it only comes in 8-packs. So this is my soda replacement. Now, how do I drink the rest of my liquids? I drink water at the office, and at the office, because they have bottled water, I use these True Lemon or True Lime packs. These are also stevia, no other sweeteners, citric acid. Coming from, interestingly enough, the first ingredient is crystallized lemon. They have some cool technique that they use where they actually are putting bits of lemon into their mixes, which is pretty cool. It's got stevia in it as well, and then beta carotene for color. So they are using a coloring agent to get the color that you have. And then this one, they're using vegetable juice for color, and stevia, of course. And that's the black cherry limeade. This is my favorite flavor, is the black cherry limeade, but if you want just regular lemonade, they got that. And then they also have raspberry lemonade. And this one, again, has beta carotene and vegetable juice for color. So they're using natural products, not yellow number 5 or whatever, to do their coloring. So I've been doing this. This is really nice in terms of being able to just take a packet, dump it in a bottle of water, and shake it up, and you're good to go. So when I'm drinking it at home, I don't like to buy a bunch of bottled water. I just use regular tap water. And in order to do this, then what I have to do is put multiple packs into here and then stir it up real good. That's a little annoying, but in the scheme of things, it's not that big a deal, and it tastes really good. If you don't want to do the stirry part, my brother actually recommended the Ocean Spray Zero Sugar. It's actually really nice. Filtered water, cranberry juice, and this is the tropical punch flavor. Filtered water, cranberry juice, natural flavor, citric acid, fumaric acid, sodium citrate, carrot juice concentrate for color, ascorbic acid, vitamin C, and then stevia. So again, you're not using any of the sucralose, aspartame, ACE K, whatever they call that, potassium something. Anyway, it's got stevia in it, which again, that's kind of where I'm headed in terms of sweeteners. The other thing I'll point out that I do, and I did not put this on the table, but I've been using this monk fruit extract powder with coffee in the morning because I will use a cup of coffee to wake up sometimes. The interesting thing about this, it's very powdery, but you'll see this is what the recommended serving size is. It's teeny tiny amounts of this stuff to put in your coffee. So if you get a big old cup of coffee, you put a couple of these in here, you're good. I've had this for months now, and I'm about half done. And I mean, it's expensive, no question, but in terms of being able to use this as a sweetener for coffee, it's fantastic. And again, this is monk fruit extract from Morning Pep is the name of the company, and I'm old, I can't read anymore. And the ingredients are monk fruit extract, so there's nothing else, no like fillers or anything like that. So very impressed with all these products. This is kind of how I'm pivoting away from regular diet soda with all the sweeteners that are of questionable value. So anyway, hope this is helpful. If you like any of this stuff, I get all this stuff. I think I've been able to pick all this stuff up at even at Walmart, except for the monk fruit extract. I had to get this online. But yeah, this stuff I just regularly am able to just pick up on a Walmart run. So very cool. Glad you could be here. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.